Ready? You step on here. Now you can roll it wherever you need to go. It's a 3-inch hospital grade wheel, so they roll extremely well.
Nice.
And you bring it to where you need to treat, and you put her back down.
And the wheels are just like a teensy bit off the floor so that you're completely on the frame.
Okay.
And it's not going anywhere when you're massaging.
Correct. Gotcha. Yeah, because there's no wheels on any table that I've seen.
And the key is too, when you're buying a table, you don't want to buy one that is sitting on wheels.
Okay.
You want it to go onto the frame so you're treating, bring it up onto the wheels when you go to move it. Because if you're on a caster, it never stays completely stable. Even the ones that have 2 casters on one side and are fixed on the other side, you're always going to get a little bit of movement. Casters aren't good for treating on it.
Yeah, so there's so many things running through my head. I'm like, wow, because there's been times we've had to move tables. Like at a massage school,